As you prepare the body and its instruments of perception, which means your indriya, as you prepare it and become more and more sensitive, then you will start listening to and picking up that which is existing in the here and now context. Otherwise, our brain is superimposing all the time old ideas, old memories, old thoughts. There is no actual picking up of the here and now. Every one of the senses is operating to give you a consciousness of the moment. But we are not paying attention to it. This is our biggest problem today. And as you get more and more urbanized, and as you get more and more electronic savvy, you lose this even more. That's why I'm saying we are getting actually more stupid. Not more intelligent, but more stupid. It is very critical that you start opening out these senses in various ways. I would say, suggest every day make it a point to spend 15-20 minutes just listening, just smelling, just touching, so that you revisit these senses and make them open out again. Because they have to just open out. It's not that you don't feel it. You're not paying attention to it. That's all it is. So everybody can go back to it. So when you do energy work, very, very important first step, preliminary step, is to open out your senses. And all the senses. Okay? So the more sketching you do, photographs are all very well. But it's only a mechanical aid. It's very important to capture the color, the light. So it's good for you to sketch, to paint every once in a while. Use your body, like when you were talking about dancing. I wanted to tell you a little incident with Ganapati Stapati when I was studying with him. He told me to understand sculpture you also need to dance. And dancing is something I've never done. So I told him I do my yoga. He said that's not enough. You'll have to learn to work with Tala and Sangeeta, so that you become more complete. So at the age of 32, I went and started learning to dance. I danced for about 3-4 years. And the concept of the Kaya Madhya Sutram, where you understand your inner alignment, was very critical in Shilpa Shastra. So I told the dance teacher, I'm here to only understand this Kaya Madhya Sutram. One day I was doing the Alaripu with him and I felt it. And I told him this is my last class. And I didn't go back to him. So there is something about working with your body in relationship to rhythm and music that gives you a sense of the physical space as well as the joyous kind of occupying of the space around you. It's a very joyous thing.
ತಾರಕ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರಕ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರಕ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ಒಡೆದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಸು ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ಒಡೆದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾಸು ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರಕ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರಕ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ರಾಮ ನಾಮವೆಂಬ ರಾಮ ನಾಮವೆಂಬ ರಸವುಳ್ಳ ನೀರಿಗೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ರಾಮ ನಾಮವೆಂಬ ರಸವುಳ್ಳ ನೀರಿಗೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ಕಾಮಿನಿಯರ ಕೂಡೆ ಏಕಾಂತವಾಡೆನು ಕಾಮಿನಿಯರ ಕೂಡೆ ಏಕಾಂತವಾಡೆನು ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರಕ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ಗೋವಿಂದವೆಂಬ ಗೋವಿಂದವೆಂಬ ಗೋವಿಂದವೆಂಬೋ ಗುಣವುಳ್ಳ ನೀರಿಗೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ಗೋವಿಂದವೆಂಬೋ ಗುಣವುಳ್ಳ ನೀರಿಗೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ಆವಾವ ಪೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೃತದ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಆವಾವ ಪೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೃತದ ನೀರಿಗೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರಕ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ಮಾಧವನ ಬಿಂದು ಮಾಧವನ ಘಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ಬಿಂದು ಮಾಧವನ ಘಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನಿಗೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡುವೆ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನಿಗೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡುವೆ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ ತಾರೆ ಬಿಂದಿಗೆಯ